Hello everyone, and welcome to Bonus Break 109 for the 2020 Gold Rush Autograph 16 by 20 Multi-Sport Edition. I want to thank everyone for joining our previous breaks for making this bonus break happen. Let's go ahead and check out the current dates and times according to eBay. It's Wednesday, October 21st, 2020. It's 12:38 p.m. Eastern Time. It is a.m. rather. It's Tuesday, October 20th, 2020. It's 11:38 p.m. Central Time and 9:38 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Hess, Wansam, Ravishing, Treasured, Emlang, Ron, Solo, Nalbro, Hess, Joe, Boston, Hess, T. Trajo, Greg, G. Barth, Now, Mike, New, Nalbro, Razzo, Business, Ryan, Razzo, Ryan, Kest, Ryan, Breakaholic, Al, and Ryan. We'll come back to you guys in a minute. Let's see what we have without destroying the place. See if I can pull that off. So we'll see what we have, and then we'll start randomizing. So we could have baseball, basketball, we've had UFC, we've had WWE, NASCAR, boxing. We're going to find out. So I will get the box out of here. Got some football. Let's see what sport it is. It is, what is that? That looks like baseball with a ton of autographs on it. Alright, hold up. Alright. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pick the camera up. There's all kinds of autos on here. There's a PSA. We'll look that up to confirm what we're rocking with here. Whole bunch of autos. Cy Young Award winners, it looks like. Got the years. That's pretty sweet. So what we're going to do is we'll look this up. Cy Young Award with a bunch of names on it. If anyone gets lightheaded for moving the camera around, I apologize. Cooperstown Collection. Let's look this up and see what we're working with. This thing is sweet. We have a lot of autographs. I don't have a list in front of me, so let's look it up. If this was a baseball break, we'd be randomizing. Really? So we have a bunch of autographs of a bunch of Cy Young winners. I don't know why they're not giving us the names, but if you guys make out some of those names, yell in the chat. So, let's start randomizing those. Someone's taking home this Cy Young Award winner. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 autographs on it. Guess we could look up the dates one at a time. So first we're going to randomize your names, then spots 1 through 30. All right, Ryan on top, Kest on the bottom. And then spots 1 through 30 will randomize. And wherever spot number 1 ends up, congrats to you. Once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6. And lucky number 7 has spot 10 on top, spot 19 on the bottom. I'm sure you all just saw spot number 1, second from the bottom. Breakaholic, congrats on the Cy Young Award winners. 12 auto, autograph 16 by 20. And Chris is saying Gaylord, Perry, Mike Scott. Yeah, there's a bunch of autos on here. Oh, there's probably the Mike Scott. We appreciate all the support. We appreciate all you guys joining our breaks, hanging out with us every night. This is just one of the free breaks that we have. And don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Up next, we have break 3607 for the 2020 Baseball Immaculate Collection. Thanks.